Yeah, I'm turning it.
I don't see what's happening in the metal. All I see is a light.
Come closer. Really close. You have the face shield down, I hope?
Yeah.
Come closer.
I'm really close.
Where are you looking? Do you see the rod?
Yeah.
Tip of the rod?
Yeah.
You see the red bolted stuff?
Yeah.
That's the metal.
Go on.
You see how it's flowing? Look at it closer. Keep going. Go closer.
Well, I'm going to try to film it. I can't. Yeah, there we go.
All ready. You ready?
Yep.
Big welding is definitely easier. I didn't realize how much more easier it is.
So this is a MIG welder.
This is a MIG welder.
And it's easier than arc welding or TIG
yeah,
welding?
it's easier to start up.
Okay.
Now it's a matter of if I got a good weld or not. That's the question. Because sometimes certain grades of steel
Are not as great.
Well, it's too thick.
Mm.
But I'll find out once I clean that up. What weld is like. There's enough penetration.
Oh, it's hard to weld, eh? What were you able to do on it?
Well, I ran some beads finally and figuring how fast I can go.
Yeah.
You go pretty fast, but you have to be really on the ball.
You want to show me?
Oh yeah. See this weld right here? That's a good weld. You see the back end?
That's a good weld.
Good penetration through there.
So, basically you got to go right through the metal, eh?
Yeah, pretty much. When you start joining two metals, when it comes to body steel, you got to really make it fit tight.
Wow.
To make it weld well.
Put it right up close to the camera, what you did. And what makes it a good weld?
Well, there's no holes in it for one.
Okay. Oh, I see some holes there, but then there's one that didn't have holes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a matter of getting the right speed. So, if I practice a bit more, I think I can get to body steel, but this is really thin body steel.
Okay.
Since I can bend it with my hand.
Mm.
That's the problem.
It is very thin.
Compared to the rest. So, I'll just have to practice some more.
Mm.
That's all. Okay, I'm going to clean up. You can tell AJ I'm going to clean up and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to clean up now, AJ.
Doe je postje, zo'n nog warm is.
I know, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to put everything away. So, okay. Right. Well, those are the welds that I did right here. And these are the welds I did with the MIG weld. So let me clean up here and I'll put this away. Okay.
All right.
Filming, huh?
Yeah.
Mikä tämä masina on?
What's that?
Tämä.
That's my MIG welder.
Oh.
Look at it. That's it.
I.
Niin.
See that wire?
Mm-hmm.
Watch the wire.
Oh.
You know, because you'll see what I mean if you look. You don't have to watch it.
Oh.
You understand now? Because you can weld very thin metal.
Uh-huh.
Not body steel, which is...
Yeah.
Are you having fun, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Check that brake off. The crew on the ground keeps tension on the line, so the helicopter can accurately place the cable.
Hi, Isa.
They'll repeat this 5 times, once for each cable.
That's not fun.